y'all what's up. It's Saturday. We're gonna stay away from the FD a little bit. We're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna be working on my cousin's car today. He got some new wheels. We're gonna get it put on. Let's go meet him. Today, my cousin Craig, and he got this. What is it, Craig?
A 2018 Subaru STI.
STI. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
STI. It runs in the family 4-wheel drive, right?
Oh yeah.
Alright, so what we're gonna do today, we're gonna put some wheels on his car. He got some new wheels, some wheels he always wanted, and he worked hard and he got some new wheels. So let's check him out and then let's get it on his car. So, you ready to show him the wheels?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's see what you got.
All right. I got the car.
A key? Get a key.
Got some.
Damn. So wait, so the wheels match the tires?
Yes. I got all Advans.
Y'all think I'm balling. He the one that's balling.
Came straight from Japan.
Straight from Japan.
Took me 8 weeks.
Damn. I couldn't wait that long. I would have to get something else. Damn, how much wrap are they gonna have? Open it already. Damn.
There it is.
From the JDM motherland. What size is it?
It's a 19th by 9.5, and it's a 45 offset.
Damn. So when y'all want to ball out on your Subaru, y'all know what's up. All right, well, let's get it mounted.
All right, let's do it.
He mounting the last wheel. He putting brand new TPMS sensors on there. And that boy be sweating.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That look you give me though. You gotta twist it. You excited?
Of course.
Damn.
Extremely.
I'm letting him put it on so in case he drop it, you know, it's his fault. Woo! See what I'm talking about?
That almost broke.
My boy joining Fitment gang. Meaty Fitment gang. We got the other side on. Let's check it out. Damn. Look like a race car now.
Right?
So we getting a burnout after this? You can't turn off the front wheels and do a burnout?
Not too much power yet. Soon.
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 Look at that HKS exhaust. Oh. Then got Advan lug nuts. You just bought the whole package. So how you like it?
Love it.
Final product?
Acceptable.
Some coilovers next?
Yes, coilover is next. It's too high, but
Too high?
yeah,
It's supposed to be a rally car.
yeah, that's true. Yeah, you're right. But suspension is next though. Coilovers.
Damn, look at them. Looking good though.